How does the GSE Hysteresis controller works? The hysteresis controller is a phase controller for one exhaust fan. You can post 4 settings on 4 knobs: temperature, minimum speed, maximum speed, and hysteresis setting. The temperature range is from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. The minimum speed setting, from off position, jumps to 20%, and is variable up to 100% speed. The maximum speed setting reduces the maximum allowed speed during the temperature regulation to avoid the fan making too much noise at high rotation. The hysteresis setting changes the regulation range and makes the controller more or less sensitive, according to the temperature difference. On the minimum setting you choose the speed, which should never be undercut during the regulation. For example, we set this on 20%. On the temperature setting knob you set the desired temperature, for example 24 degrees Celsius. On the maximum speed setting you choose the desired maximum rotation of the fan. The hysteresis is a variable value from 1 to 8 degrees Celsius. The hysteresis is the controlling range of the fan speed. Between 1 and 8 degrees Celsius the fan speed will change, from the lowest point given from the minimum speed setting, to the highest point given from the maximum speed setting. The fan speed is depending on the temperature. As long as the measured temperature on the probe is below 24 degrees Celsius, the minimum speed controller keeps your fan working at 20% speed, which comes from the minimum speed setting. When the temperature rise and exceed the 24 degrees Celsius, the fan speed increases depending on your set hysteresis. For example, we set 2 degrees Celsius, up to the point of the maximum speed setting, for example 80%. As higher the fan speed is, and more fresh and cold air is circulating in the room, the measured temperature will decrease again and the fan will slow down. We call this auto-balancing of the airflow according to the temperature. The minimum speed setting is the strongest setting and always overdrives the temperature setting and the maximum speed setting. The maximum speed setting is stronger as the temperature setting. If you set the minimum speed setting on off position, the fan will stop working when the measured temperature is below the set temperature. The minimum speed setting have a 20% infinitely start-up peak to give enough power to the fan to run on low speed.